Hi, I'm Ross Marshall with Willis Chevrolet of Granger. Today we're with this year's Motor Trend Truck of the Year, the 2024 Chevrolet Colorado ZR2. This is the latest in the long line of ZR2 pickups that we've had to offer from Chevrolet. So let's go around this truck and show you what makes this the most off-road capable truck we've ever offered. This ZR2 Colorado is the most off-road capable Colorado we have offered thanks to the 3-inch factory lift, the Multimatic DSSV dampening shocks, and the 33-inch Goodyear Wrangler maximum traction tires. The ZR2 comes with fully locking front and rear differentials for maximum traction while off-roading. The front fascia on the Colorado ZR2 is specifically sculpted to give us maximum ground clearance by exposing as much of the tire as possible. Up front we have the Chevrolet Flow tie, which gives us aggressive styling as well as maximum airflow to the radiator, along with the red recovery hooks and the heavy-duty front skid plate. The Colorado also comes with rocker guards, which help protect your truck when you take it off the trails. New to this generation of Colorado is the TurboMax engine, which provides 310 horsepower and 430 foot-pound of torque, providing plenty of power when we need it most. For 30 years, the ZR2 nameplate has been synonymous with off-road, adventure, and fun. Come to Granger and take one for a test drive, or visit us on our website at willischevy.com.